In this video, we will go over how to make a subcategory, add it to navigation, and add products. Now you'll need to hop over to your Magento admin, and we're already on the category page here. What you'll need to do is up in catalogs, go to categories, and then manage categories. On the left hand side, you'll see a list of your root categories and subcategories. We are going to add a new subcategory, so go ahead and click the button up in the top left hand corner that says add subcategory. The first thing you need to do is give it a name. We're going to go ahead and call this one clearance. If there's any important information you need, you can put it in the description. And there's also the WYSIWYG editor for this. If you're unfamiliar with this term, it means what you see is what you get. This is literally a spot-on editor. You can see it gives you more control over it like you would have in Word or external program as opposed to just coding everything. And so then let's just give the page a title, call it clearance. And then we'll just go ahead and skip down to the next required field, which is active, and we want this to be yes. Just a note, if you set active to no, you'll see up there in the corner there are a few categories, subcategories of mine that are grayed out. That just means they're not active. So we want this to be active so we can see it, and then we want to include it in navigation so we can see that in our navigation menu. So we'll leave that as yes. And just so you're aware, there'll be a lot of options we pass over entirely, as this is just a basic walkthrough of a subcategory. I'll still touch on a few, just so you can see if those options are right for you. So we'll head over to the display settings now. For our purposes today, we're going to go ahead and leave this all as default, but this is basically where you would choose the sorting options for how products are displayed on the page. So we'll just leave this at default, and go over to custom design. Now again, there's nothing here that we're going to mess with today, but this is where you could essentially change the design entirely of the page. The column layouts, basically it's going to just inherit the parent right now, because we're not going to mess with anything. So let's go ahead and add some products to our category. Over in the top left hand corner, you'll see there should be something that says any right there in this drop down. And this is basically the products that are displaying. Right now we're displaying any products in our system. You could have it, if you have it marked to yes, you might not be showing any products because that's just showing you what's in the category. So if it's yes and there are no products, obviously it's not going to display any products. And no means they're not in the category. So we'll just go ahead and look at any products right now. And let's just add a few here. Go. And there we go, that's a list of our products right now that are going to display. So let's go ahead and hop over to the site and see if our category shows up now. And there it is, clearance. Let's go ahead and check out the products. And there you have it. That is a basic guide to creating a subcategory in Magento. If you have any suggestions for other videos you'd like to see in the future, email us. Thanks for watching.